Hello, and welcome to Back to School Night 2020. My name is Mrs. Melissa Marnell, and I'm the AP Calculus BC teacher. I'm best reached via email, and my extra help times are Monday and Thursday from 1:30 to 2:30, and Tuesday and Friday from 7 to 8 a.m. A little bit about myself. I grew up in a suburb outside of Chicago, met my husband, and we moved to Southern California. We lived in Southern California for 5.5 years, and my husband's job transferred us up to Northern California. We've been in Northern California now since May of 2009, and I'm starting my 12th year here at De La Salle High School. A typical class day for us. We have a Zoom call at the very beginning of class. Students are expected to watch 1 to 2 videos for that class period. The Now You Try problems are problems that have to do with the content of the videos. I break them up into small groups, go through they are supposed to work on the problems together. I go between the different groups and answer any questions that they have. I then pull them back together, answer any general questions having to do with the Now You Try problems. I then dismiss any students who don't have homework questions or want any extra help. Any students that have homework questions or want extra help are welcome to stay on the line and get their questions answered. The last 40 minutes, ideally, is the students' time to be working on their homework for their next class period. We also have assessments that happen every other week during our class period. A class period homework is 10% of their grade assigned every day and is due the next class meeting by 8:15 in the morning and is to be submitted to Schoology as a PDF. The next category has 2 pieces to it. WebAssign, which is our online book platform. They have a weekly WebAssign assignment due the last day that the class meets, and it's over the previous week's content. Also, AP Classroom, I will be assigning a few times throughout the semester to help us prepare for unit assessments. So assessments happen halfway through a chapter and at the end of the chapter. The assessment that is halfway through the chapter is about 5 concept questions and 2 multiple choice questions. The assessment at the end of the chapter is split up over 2 days. It is 4 multiple choice questions for each part, and it is about 1 free response question for each part. And those are split up into 2 days because we have a calculator version and a non-calculator version. Then we have the final exam, which is at the end of the semester, and that's comprehensive of the entire year. And those questions will be AP-style questions. Let's take a look at my Schoology site. So our Schoology site, we have the 2 different class links for Zoom. And then we have WebAssign, which is how they get to their book. AP Classroom, which I'll be assigning a few times throughout the semester. We have the weekly agenda, which is a running Google Doc of all of the objectives and what we're going to be doing every week. We have the AP signups. This is for the De La Salle parents. This is how you're going to pay for the De La Salle, for the AP tests. Then I have here, let's go into the Chapter 3 folder. These are all the different videos that the students will be watching. Here in the Chapter 3 homework questions, if you click on that, the first day of class, I put a random question in, and I was showing the students how that they are going to reply, and Luke replied to just a random question that I picked and put in a picture, just showing that you can put in a picture of your work for those homework questions. Here I have all the different folders with all the different content. So we have the homework assignments in one folder, the WebAssign, the assessments, the videos, and lastly, the Now You Try. That's just my organization so that I don't have a bunch of assignments in here. What I want the students to be looking at is on the home page. I really want them to be looking at this upcoming piece where they can see what videos that they have to watch and then what homework is due each of the following days. And I also have on here when the WebAssign assignments are due. And just as a reminder, if you click on the daily agenda, I have the objectives, I have our Zoom meeting link, and I have what we're going to be doing throughout the day. Thank you so much for watching my Back to School Night video. Please email me if you have any questions.